What's going on, everybody? Happy Wednesday. All right, today, sample simple workout number 2. So we don't want this to be more confusing than it has to be. So the warm-up stays exactly the same. If you didn't watch Monday's video, shame on you. Go back to your messages and check it out. So go through the warm-up. Then our first exercise is our core primer. We're gonna hit 3 20-second planks. Just a normal plank, holding it for 20 seconds, then rest for about 40 to 60 seconds in between. If you can't hold a plank for 20 seconds, go down to 10. Go down to your knees. Wherever you're starting at is totally cool. All right, then our first pairing, same thing. Make sure we do our ramp up sets. So we do a set of 5, then a set of 10. Today we're doing lower rep work sets though, so we may have to adjust the weights a little bit because we did high rep on Monday. First exercise is a sumo RDL. So instead of our narrow stance hinge, we're coming out wide, but then from here it's still a hip hinge. So we're up, hinge back, okay? But it's only 10 reps today. So again, you should be able to get all 10 reps with good form, but not that many more. If you get to 10 and you're like, man, I could have probably repped out another 10, you should have been lifting more weight. If you're like, man, I could have kept going up to 30, you should have been lifting more weight a long time ago. That's gonna be paired with an incline dumbbell bench press. So if we have an incline, we just bring it up, just about 30 to 45 degrees, laying on our back, pressing up. Now, if you don't have access to this stuff, you can always do body weight, any pressing movement, push-ups, works just fine. But I realize a lot of us are hopefully getting back to having some equipment available to us. So I want to try to start to skew in that direction. Then we're going to hit our hip flexor stretch. Second exercise pairing is the same as Monday, but lower reps. So now we're doing one arm dumbbell row for 10 reps. So heavier weight than you did on Monday. And the goblet squat for 10 reps. Heavier weight than you did on Monday. Side lying T-spine rotation for our mobility active recovery. Then finish with a 15-minute fast-paced incline walk. We'll see you on Friday for the last day of this program.